Today we're going to be making some collard greens and smoked turkey drumsticks or legs. But I'm going to use this Baker's Farms collard greens. They're triple washed, premium greens. Also, it's a Georgia grown, shredded collard greens. So they pretty much do the work for you. I've used these before. Y'all, very delicious. They was established in 1970. Of course, you know, these are low in calories, so you can reseal these, but I'm going to cook this full bag. This is a 32-ounce bag. Smoked turkey drums that we're going to be cooking as well. This is a 3-pack, came from Walmart, y'all. They are really, really good. Actually, this is a 4-pack. Oh my God. I think this one was about $8. Start by adding water, a little lemon pepper. I normally use about a tablespoon. Red pepper seeds, 1 tablespoon. Now when it comes down to my garlic, I go 2 to 3 tablespoons of garlic, 2 chicken bouillon cubes, and just like that, that's our seasoning with a little black pepper, y'all. And we're just gonna add the greens into the crock pot. I do cut up an onion and I split it in half, and I put half in the middle and then the other half at the top. 32 ounces of greens is a lot, but it will reduce in size. So no worries, y'all. And they're going to be delicious. I'm so excited. I do top them off with a little more garlic and a little more black pepper. Some people use oil. I use butter. So maybe a tablespoon or a little more. I am cooking fish, but our main dish for today is our collard greens. Yes, y'all, so it's been an hour, and as you can see, the greens has reduced in size. We're just going to drop our turkey legs on top, and then we're going to cook them for 4 hours. 4 more hours, so 5 total at this point on high. Check on our fish. It's looking good, y'all. Okay, what we've all been waiting for. Ooh, child. Oh my God, I cannot wait. So we're 5 hours in total, but we have to add our okra on top. So we're going to add the okra in, and we're going to allow it to cook for 2 more hours. Here, I'm going to make some sweet potatoes as well. And yes, here we are, the moment we've been waiting for. So the okra is now done, and I'm going to pick out our turkey drumsticks and debone them. As you can see, it's looking really good. We're just gonna take the bone off all 4. Oh, very tender. It fell right off, no problem. And I always check the bones just to see what it looked like, and it kind of gives me an indication on if it needs to cook longer. The other one was pinker. You see, this one is almost done. Yes, y'all, and that's probably because it was at the top. But pick it all out. If you leave the bones in there, that's fine. It just depends on what you prefer and how you're going to eat it, whether it be together in one bowl or on a plate separate. So I'm just going to continue to debone, and then I am going to kind of stir the greens so I can bring some greens to the top and submerge the turkey down under. I'm going to allow it to cook for another 30 minutes and it'll be all done. If you don't like your okra torn up, you can dip the okra out. If you have any questions for me about the additional dishes that I created today, please feel free to leave me a comment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Become a part of the Growing with Finesse team on YouTube, guys. I would love to have you as a family member. And as always, y'all stay blessed.